Wind warning. Issued at Wednesday, 4:08 p.m. February 26, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description: strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Maximum gusts, southerly 80 km per hour, except 100 along parts of the coast. Locations: Eastern Avalon Peninsula. Time span Wednesday night. #####. Damage to buildings, such as to roof shingles and windows, may occur. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nlstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using #NLWX.